Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English.
Hi, Adam. I am very happy today.
Happy? Why are you so happy, Sarah?
I just came back from a trip.
A trip? Where did you go?
I went to see the Giza Pyramids.
The Giza Pyramids? In Egypt?
Yes, in beautiful Egypt.
Wow. Was it a good trip?
It was amazing, truly out of this world.
Out of this world? Like a dream?
Yes, like a very big dream.
Tell me everything about the pyramids, Sarah.
Well, they are very, very big.
Very big? How big are they?
They are like giant stone mountains, Adam.
Giant stone mountains? That is incredible.
I stood right next to them.
Did you touch them?
Yes, I touched the old stones.
How did they feel?
They felt warm and very rough, Adam.
Warm and rough? From the sun?
Yes, the sun in Egypt is very strong.
Was it too hot for you?
It was hot, but the air was dry.
Dry air. That is better than humidity.
Much better. I wore a big hat.
A big hat? Did you look like an explorer?
Yes, I felt like Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones? Did you find any gold?
No gold, but I found a camel.
You found a real camel?
Yes, his name was Charlie.
Charlie? That is a funny name for a camel.
Charlie was very friendly and very tall.
Did you ride him, Sarah?
I did. I rode him near the Sphinx.
The statue with the face?
Yes, the giant lion with a human face.
A human face? Is it a beautiful face?
It is very old and mysterious, Adam.
Mysterious? Does it have a nose?
No, the nose is missing, Adam.
Missing? Where did the nose go?
Nobody knows for sure. It is a secret.
I love Egyptian secrets.
There are many secrets under the sand.
Under the sand? Are there more pyramids?
Maybe. Many things are still hidden there.
Like treasure and old mummies?
Yes, like the treasure of King Tut.
King Tut? The famous boy king?
Exactly. His gold mask is in the museum.
Did you go there too?
I went to the Grand Egyptian Museum.
The Grand Museum? Is it very modern?
It is huge and very beautiful, Adam.
What did you see inside?
I saw golden beds and golden chairs.
Golden chairs? Did the king sit on them?
Yes, everything was made of real gold.
That sounds very expensive.
It was. The ancient Egyptians were very rich.
Very rich, and they were very smart too.
So smart. They knew a lot about stars.
About stars? Did they use the stars for building?
Yes, the pyramids line up with the stars.
Line up with stars? That is magic.
It feels like magic when you are there.
I want to go to Egypt now, Sarah.
You should go. It is a special place.
Is the food good in Egypt too?
Oh, the food is delicious, Adam.
What did you eat there?
I ate something called koshari.
Koshari? What is inside koshari?
Rice, pasta, lentils, and tomato sauce.
Rice and pasta together in one bowl?
Yes, it sounds strange, but it is great.
It sounds great. I want a bowl now.
I will find a recipe for you.
Thank you. And did you drink tea?
I drank hot mint tea in the desert.
Mint tea? In the hot desert?
Yes, it actually helps you feel cool.
That is very interesting.
Egypt is full of interesting things, Adam.
I can see that. You look very inspired.
I am. My heart is still in Cairo.
You must go back soon.
I will. I want to see the Nile River.
Is it the longest river?
Yes, it is like a long blue ribbon.
A blue ribbon through the yellow sand?
Exactly. The contrast is very beautiful.
Did you take photos?
I took 1,000 photos, Adam.
1,000? Your phone is full.
Yes, I want to show everyone.
Can we see them later?
Of course, we can look at them together.
I am very excited to see them, Sarah.
You will feel like you are there too.
Sarah, let us talk about your idiom.
You mean out of this world, Adam?
Yes. Does it mean you went to space?
No, I did not go to the moon.
Then what is the real meaning?
It means something is extremely good or beautiful.
Extremely good, like the pyramids?
Exactly. They are too beautiful to be real.
So I can use it for food too?
Yes, this pizza is out of this world.
Perfect. I love using this idiom.
It is a very positive way to speak.
Your trip to Egypt was out of this world.
Thank you, Adam. You are a fast learner.
I try my best every day, Sarah.
Well, our Egyptian snack is over for today.
Oh, I want to hear more stories.
We will tell more stories in the next snack.
I hope our listeners want to visit Egypt.
I am sure they do. It is a dream.
Remember to dream big, everyone.
Yes, and keep practicing your English.
If you practice, you will succeed.
That is the real treasure, Adam.
Before we go, please subscribe to us.
Yes, join our Snack English family now.
Click the like button if you enjoyed this.
It helps us reach more students globally.
What should they write in the comments?
Tell us one place you want to visit.
Do you want to see the pyramids too?
I want to read all your travel dreams.
I will read them and reply to them too.
Thank you for listening to Snack English. Have a wonderful and adventurous day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.